Hey, it's Aaron here. What's going on? If you're watching this video right now, you might be on this website right here called Media Rewards, and you're wondering, can you really make rewards and money from this particular app? How does this work? Is this a good use of your time? And can you actually make a lot of money or not, all right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 100% from home every single month, just go ahead and click the link below, and I'll send you that strategy straight to your email. You can check it out if you want. Now, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different make money online apps, business models, games, websites, GPT sites, things like that, and some of them are really great and they pay a lot of money, but a lot of them don't really pay out that much and aren't really worth your time. So let's take a look at Media Rewards to see how this stacks up against other different opportunities. All right, now Media Rewards is a 100% free app, right, that is basically going to run in the background and is going to track what kind of ads you're exposed to, and it will reward you little points for it. It's really cool. Okay, so all you do is you head over to MediaRewards.com. You can download this from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, right? And they're available in a few countries, not all countries, the US, Australia, Canada, Germany, India, and the United Kingdom. They will, perhaps add more countries in the future, but at the time of recording this video, they're only available in these countries right here, right? Now, how this works is you would install this app onto your phone and it will run in the background. And basically what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to activate three things, okay? So first of all, you should fill out your profile so they have more information about you. You need to enable background location if you're comfortable with that. And you should enable YouTube ad tracking, okay? Now, what happens is this app will basically track what kind of ads and where you're, what location you're in, and what kind of things that you're exposed to online, and they will take that information and they'll use it for market research, and that's kind of how they make money and how they'll potentially reward you, and we'll talk about that in a second, okay? So you have to be comfortable with allowing them to track you and track some of the things that's going on your browser and when you're using the internet and that sort of thing, okay? Now, another thing that you can do inside of Media Rewards is occasionally they will send you surveys, paid surveys, all right? So it doesn't happen all the time, but once in a while you get a paid survey and you can fill out the survey and make a little bit of extra money for that, right? Remember, paid surveys pay between 50 cents and $2 per survey. You're not gonna get a ton of surveys, but once in a while you'll get a survey here and a survey there. If you fill it out, they'll reward you for that. We'll talk about how you can, withdraw your money in a second, okay? The last thing is they have something called prize draws, okay? So prize draws is basically once in a while, it's usually once a month, when you have a certain amount of points added up from just running the app. You don't actually have to do anything. You just download the app, you enable your profile, background location, YouTube ad tracking, and in the background, as time goes by, as the month goes on, you will just naturally accrue more points because the app is basically collecting data on you, right? Now, once a month, usually, they will have something called a prize draw, okay? And they'll just run random prize draws, and you can stand the chance to win $50, $100, or even $1,000. All right, now I want to be very clear with this. This is not guaranteed income. This is almost like buying a lottery ticket, okay? So if you're using their app, you will automatically get put into sort of a lottery draw, and if you're lucky, you might win some extra money, okay? So for example, in July 2023, a whole bunch of people here won 50 bucks. Okay, so it's about, how many is like 10 people around the world won, $50. Actually, and this is another 10, so about 20 people per month, right? And this is June. And occasionally, you might be able to win $1,000. Okay, so this is $100, $50, that kind of thing, right? And then the same for every month. So every month they do this random draw, and you stand the chance to win a little bit of cash, right? But again, please don't expect this to be guaranteed income, because again, it's like buying a lottery ticket. For the most part, you probably won't win anything because there are hundreds of thousands, millions of people that have this app downloaded on their phone. So the chances that you'll win each month is only 20 winners, right? Each month is very slim, but there is that slight chance, okay? So to sum it all up, the big question is, how do you actually make money from Media Rewards? Well, you don't really make money directly from giving them your information online. They just use that as a method for you to download the app and for them to collect data on you. What they do is they run these monthly prize draws, and occasionally they will release paid surveys to you so that you can fill out the surveys and earn a little bit of money that way. Okay, now how do you withdraw your money? You can exchange it for gift cards, and you can withdraw directly through PayPal as well. All right, which is pretty cool. Okay, so how much money can you make? Well, you know, it really depends. If you're super lucky, which is highly unlikely, you know, again, 20 draws a month versus millions of people that have this app on their phone. If you're very lucky, you might be able to win $50, $100, or $1,000, okay, on any random month. Okay, another way that you'll make money is filling out paid surveys. 50 cents to $2 per survey, depends on how many surveys you get access to and how many you fill out, and then you can withdraw them through PayPal. So I would say that, you know, this app might be pretty cool to kind of run in the background. If you get a $50, $100, or $1,000 lucky draw, I mean, it's super unlikely you're going to win $1,000. I mean, you can see here, this is 1 out of, you know, 20 people in June, but in July nobody won $1,000 or even $100, right? So it just really depends on your luck, really, like buying a lottery ticket. So don't expect to earn big income from this, but you can earn a little bit if you decide to take the paid surveys. That's what I would say. So that's how you really earn money here. They don't really pay you any money for you know, letting them collect information. That's really the prize draws, but that's not guaranteed income. Okay, so I think this is just a little bit of fun. If you want to download it, let this company collect some data on you. Maybe you'll get into the prize draw, but most of the income will be made from, you know, taking random paid surveys here and there. So not an amazing way to earn money, but it's legit. It's available in, you know, 6 big countries around the world, and so you can check it out if you want at mediarewards.com. All right, but if you're here right now watching this video, maybe you are looking for a way to generate some significant income online, right? You know that the internet is very powerful. There are lots of apps and websites and strategies for you to generate a lot of income, but maybe you don't know how to do it, right? I've been marketing online for a long time, almost 15 years now, and out of all the strategies that I've tried and researched myself, put a lot of income into, I still have one strategy that is my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 every single month, 100% from home. You can be based anywhere in the world. Go ahead and click the link below, and I'll send you that strategy for free. You can check it out straight to your email. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of Media Rewards, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.